Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are tuning in for the first time, my name is Jami Swan. We mostly talk about beauty related things here, reviews, and answer your guys' questions. So today I have a super fun video, and for those of you who don't know, I'm also a beauty rep for LIMELIFE by ALCONE, and if you've never heard of LIMELIFE, I will link a video right here that you guys can watch after this video is over. Come back and click the card right here. So yes, fun collaboration that LIMELIFE has just launched, not to the public yet, just to Beauty Guides. So it launched on Monday the 16th. It launches to the public on the 23rd. So it's a cool collaboration, as well as I thought I would show you guys the updated starter kit and the little perk that you get if you join in September. So without further ado, if you guys are interested in seeing everything I have to show you guys, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. I want to tell you guys to make sure that you stay tuned to the very end of the video, because I'm going to show you guys a slideshow of all the new Fierce products, as well as all the products that come in the kit right now. So LIMELIFE by ALCONE teamed up with gold medalist Olympian Ali Raceman. So when they were in the beginning stages of like planning this collaboration out, she's like, you know what, I think I want to call this line Fierce. So they were like, okay, she is going to have like a lot of bold colors. Yes, very colorful line, Fierce. That's what I think of when I think of Fierce, right? That's what they thought. She came to the meeting and she said quite the opposite. Some of the times she feels her most fierce when she's wearing absolutely no makeup at all. So like a whole embracing your natural beauty is what she kind of sees as fierce. And I thought that was like a really powerful message. I loved that. We all know how fun it is to watch makeup videos on Instagram, YouTube, the cut creases, the rainbow eyeshadow. But at the end of the day, that is not something that people want. People want everyday makeup. So when I heard this, I was beyond excited, because I also do makeup as a makeup artist, and what my clients have all been asking for lately is just very natural, soft glam, just kind of amping up their natural beauty. I thought that that was very cool, because it's very on point with what everybody is asking for already. So that's why I knew you guys were going to be super excited about this. The line of lipsticks, you guys, is every shade of nude.
Every shade of nude.
From the lightest light to dark, no matter what your skin tone is, I feel like if you're a nude person, if you're a neutrals person, you're going to love these lipsticks. They're also coming out with double-ended eyeliners. How cool is that? So like one end, for instance, is like a champagne color and then a blue on the other, or a brown and a black. Very practical. Maybe you want a brown for your daytime look and then you want to go out later on, black eyeliner on the other side. It's very well thought of when you think of like the everyday consumer and what they want for their makeup and from their makeup. There's also palettes, pre-built palettes. So she has a warm everyday palette, a cool smoky palette for going out, and then a colorful palette, and they come with 3. So it's not like all of these eyeshadows that you don't know how to mix and match them. It's 3 easy, bing bang. They're full-sized eyeshadows as well, you guys. They're not tiny little palette shadows, and they come with a very good brush. Not a disposable brush, but like an actual quality brush that you will keep afterwards in your brush collection. I just think it's super brilliant, and I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on this. So this is where I kind of want to segue into sharing with you guys the new startup kit. So if all of this was like, yes, this all sounds so good, I want to get my hands on this ASAP, and I know all my friends are going to love this. So if you wanted to get your hands on this, you could sign up to be a LIMELIFE beauty guide. So you would get the products right now. Like as soon as you go to my site, sign up as a beauty guide, you can immediately start ordering all the products, all these products before the general public launch on the 23rd. Okay, and so I thought I would tell you guys everything that comes in this kit, because it sometimes changes. So, and there's a little perk to this month if you guys do sign up as a beauty guide. So what comes in this kit, and just a reminder to stay tuned to the very end of the video, because I am going to show a slideshow of all the products that come in the new line as well as the kit. So it comes with 1 cleanser, It comes with one mask. You get a moisturizer and due date. So you guys know how much I love due date if you guys follow me. I love it. I love it. It is a moisturizer, facial oil, night oil, hair serum, primer for your Limelife foundation. It is like cannot be without it. You get a Bamboo Renew scrub, which if you guys follow me, you know that that's like my at-home microdermabrasion. It is so good, such a good exfoliator. You get one mascara, a Blenderful sponge, which is the like beauty blender sponge from Limelife. It comes with one enduring lip color, which is our liquid lipsticks. It comes with a lip liner, a lip gloss, 2 lipsticks, the perfect eyeliner pen, and you guys will love this pen. It's not a felt tip pen. It is like individual hairs, so it goes on so nicely. I love it for myself. It comes with the blush powder trio. I have to show you this one. Like, this deserves a shout out, this palette. So this is the blush powder trio. So you will get just like, depending on what you choose for your kit, because you can choose light, medium, dark, or deep. So that will depict what you get in your powder trio. So you'll get lighter ones if you get light, and if you go all the way to deep, you'll get darker blushes and powders in this. And this retails for $80. And the whole starter kit, you guys, is $212. So not only are you going to get all of that, but then you get 10 catalogs. You get foundation color match cards. So if any of your friends are wanting to order any of the foundation or anything like that, easy to color match. It also comes with other training materials. And like I said, you get to choose light, medium, dark, or deep. And so all of that you get for $212 this month. And that retails for over $535. And I'm going to sound like an infomercial here for a minute. Because it's like, and not only that, you're going to get the Riki Cutie mirror. So you will get this pocket mirror to toss in your purse, and it has like the lights, the LED lights on the side, so you can see to touch up your makeup, everything like that. $68 retail value, and you guys get that for free this month in your kit. So just saying, you are going to be the first one to be able to get your hands on all of these new products that everyone is going to fall in love with, because it's very much on point, like I said. You're going to get over $535 worth of products, plus the free Riki Cutie mirror for $212. Like, my mind is blown. And they have had a few policy changes. So if obviously you don't have to be involved in the beauty industry currently, but if you do happen to own a salon or spa, you are now able to carry a limited amount of the products on hand for your shelves. So that is great news as well. That's why I was super excited to come on here, tell you guys all about all this exciting news. And yeah, I will end on that note. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a like, because that really helps my channel and the algorithms, and more than you know. So I would really appreciate a like if you did enjoy this video. Please consider subscribing if you want to see more videos from me in the future, and go follow me over on Instagram and Facebook. I'll put all the links down below in the description, so you guys can go follow me over there. Message me on either one of those platforms if you guys have any questions. I'd be so happy to help you guys out. And again, stay tuned for the rest of the video, because here's the slideshow.